Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here inside Alder community by Pointe home, which is located in northwest of Las Vegas in Pointe. And today we are going to tour this model home plan 2. It features 2350 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Let's go inside and tour with me, you guys. Welcome to plan 2. Here at the front, it's a courtyard, and there's a gate. This side right here, this is the waterfalls, but right now it's off. It's not working, but this is part of the upgrade right here. The video doorbell, when you get their home, it comes with this ring doorbell and the keyless entry. And let's go check inside. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice open layout area. The high ceiling, it makes the house so inviting. Right on this side, this is the stairwell leading to the second floor. This side right here, there is a coat closet, and in the first floor you will see the flex room, and then the powder room over here. This is the flex room right here. You can use this as an office or a study room, but you won't be able to convert it to a bedroom because there's no closet inside. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the open layout area. This is the nice living rooms, plenty of space right here. Plus they added that modern window, tons of natural lights coming in. The place is so inviting. And right here, you're looking at your modern kitchen. Love that green backsplash. And right here in the middle, this is a quartz island with the dual undermount sink. I love that they extended the countertop over here. Love this cabinets. And on the side, this is the walk-in pantry. Tons of space over here. And I think this door is the 2-car garage, but unfortunately this is locked, so I cannot show you guys. Right, this space, this is your dining area. It's nice. The modern window is bringing a lot of lights. So I'm gonna show you guys the backyard before we go upstairs. There's tons of space over here to entertain or relax the end of the day after work. What you see here is part of the upgrade. Normally when you get the house, it comes dirt lot, but right now they're staging it. So these are options. But it's a nice area, plenty of space. Okay, you guys, we'll go upstairs and check the rest of the house. In this home, there is 3 bedroom and 2.5 bath. So as soon as you land on the 2nd floor, you will see the loft area right here. This is a space to entertain. Right outside of, I'm going to show you guys the first secondary bedroom. This bedroom has a walk-in closet, and also there's that modern window that they added. Right this side, this is the laundry area. Washer and dryer is part of the option. And then this side, this is the shared bathroom. Tub and shower combo. And there's another bedroom over here. Also has the walk-in closet. All the secondary bedroom has a walk-in closet. Decent size, plenty of space. Okay, let's go check the primary bedroom. This is nice. I love that wall. And also they added this modern window. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the primary bathroom. Right here, this is your water closet. And this bathroom, it features this dual vanity, his and hers vanity. And separate tub. This is nice. And right here, this is the walk-in shower. Now let's check the walk-in closet. This is an upgrade. Pencil shelves. And there is a shoe rack right here. It's nice. Again, this is the plan 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. There's 3 elevations in this house. Depending on the elevation that you choose, price will go up. If you are interested of owning one of the homes in Alder community and you would like a representation, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. There is an HOA for $81 in this community. This is gated. And also there's plenty of amenities when you live in this neighborhood at Pointe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video, and thank you for watching.